Hello, beautiful. I see that you're looking at belly dancing, and I want to personally welcome you to my channel. And also, I'd like to share a little bit about myself so you know who exactly is your teacher. I basically discovered belly dance over 15 years ago. Just like you, I was looking at something that I need to do to get in better health and be a little bit more, fit. And I just did not, at that time, I wasn't comfortable to go to a gym or even a yoga or any classes at that time. I was quite depressed and overweight. And so I was seeking for something and I just didn't know what at that time. But I was absolutely sure that I needed to get fit because I was getting wider and I was getting unhealthy every day. And so one day I discovered a book, and that book totally transformed my life. And it was actually this book. I got it right here. Yes. And what captivated me was The Art of Belly Dance, a fun and fabulous way to get fit. See, in my mind, I wanted to get fit. But what was belly dance? I had no idea what belly dance was. At the back of the book, there's a lady, and she's pretty and she looks exotic, but at the same time she looks really happy, and I wanted a piece of that. So I read the book, and it was just a tutorial book, and I went through it, and there was a little DVD, and I really enjoyed it, and I was able to do this pretty much every day. I wanted to go more in depth, so what I did is I took some workshops, and I had to travel because there was nothing in my community, and I did this for almost a year. And then after a year of doing something that was very enjoyable, I lost the weight. But the only way I lost the weight was because I was being active, I was moving, but I also was saying to myself that I was beautiful, because those movements make me feel beautiful. My gift is to share that with you. Now, I've been actually teaching this for 15 years because after doing this for a year by myself in my own home, a friend of mine asked me, "What are you doing? You look so happy, and what's your secret?" I shared that with her, and she's the one that actually told me that I should be sharing this, and I did it in my community, and I had a great group of women in my community that was learning how to belly dance, and then it kind of just grew and grew, and I've been teaching for like 15 years. I decided now that I just don't want to teach it in my community. I want to share it to the world, and that's what this channel is all about. So I welcome you personally. I hope to see you every week, is on Sunday. I give you free lessons and the reason why I'm giving it for free is because I remember when I started, like the DVDs and traveling would start to cost. It was costly, and but it was a wonderful thing that I had access to. But this is my gift to you, and I want to give this for free because you can do it in your own home. But I do encourage you to go into classes. But in the meanwhile, you can do it in your own home and follow me, and I'll give you, from the deepest of my heart, everything I know about belly dance.